Okay? My nephew Lake says he can do this in under a minute, this Rubik's Cube. I messed it up. Let's see how he does. Show us the Rubik's Cube. I messed it up pretty good. Okay? I'll tell you when to go. Ready, set, go. I started him at the 20-second mark, so we can spend 10 seconds. 20 seconds. 40 seconds.
You got it, buddy. Minor interruption.
I said under a minute, so if he makes that, I'll be impressed. 50 seconds. Done. Done. It took 57 seconds. 57 seconds. Pretty good. Good job, dude.